Alright, here we are in Sunman, Indiana. Me and the Griff here. And we are at a private farm campground. It's a pretty neat place. Show you around here. Look, we got a log cabin here. And there was an episode of American Pickers filmed on this farm. I'm about to get a tour of some of the cool things on the farm here. Guys, got a lot of stuff. I'm gonna go in the cabin here. I think it'd be kind of fun to sit in here on a winter day. Complete with deer skull. Got the wood burning stove here. Very rustic. Here's a camper from the early 1960s. It's still being camped in.
I was kind of a little worried here when I put my foot on.
This is going to be our, this is what's going to give us the tour of the farm here.
Yeah.
Jeannie, you're looking good in that fine machine there. All right, we got her started. I call back.
Jump in. There's plenty of room. I'm sitting up here. Have a seat, Brad. No, come on. Get down. We can walk if we break down. Right down, right there. Yeehaw! Andrew drove the American Pickers around in this when they came out.
Oh, did they really?
Well, not the guys, but the people come out a couple weeks beforehand.
Yeah.
To check everything out and find everything. Down in there was where they. Don't go down in there, Jimmy. Hey, down in there is where the old house used to be.
Oh, okay.
And you didn't bring starting fluid with you either, did you?
Yeah, like something cool off.
Back up. Don't hit that dip.
Here we go. Four-wheeling and a convertible. Watch yourself. Wow.
We're gonna lose Angela.
No, I'm all right. I'm doing good.
cool off for a minute.
Yeah, it takes about 5 minutes.
Yeah.
At least we're in the shade.
All right, we're on break
On break.
and in the shade. This isn't something you get to do every day right here.
Why is that? We do it every day. What you got?
You guys I don't drive around like this?
It's everyday occurrence. What's it?
Yeah, this is something you got to videotape because people would never believe this. You gotta be making this up. That's our swimming hole right there. Truck there, that's nice. Wow, old gas pump. Surprised the American Pickers didn't buy this. I've seen them, watched the show before, seen them buy stuff like this.
Yeah.
Rusty gold. Hey, buddy. He's eating that mushroom. He's got it on his mouth.
Flip him over. See if he got any writing on the bottom.
Nope.
I would think that would still be on them. They used to carve them.
You eating that mushroom?
With markers.
Big tree back there. Straight back.
Oh yeah.
Look how big it is.
Wow, some neat old stuff. I could go for a 5-mile run on all these trails.
Yeah, easily.
He keeps it all mowed, so nice. Our ass is dragging. No. Oh wow. Got some cool stuff in here.
Wow.
What is it?
Old Packard.
Old Packard. You know what year it is?
And
What year is this?
49?
Yeah.
Very cool. Old plywood boat reminds me of the Alan Jackson song. Just an old plywood boat, 75 Johnson, electric choke. Oh, this here?
Yeah.
Wow.
And here's the fire truck.
What year's the bus, do you know?
48.
Bus is a 48, wow. Oh, okay. Turn on my light here. Wow. So Jeannie went to Florida in this. And Michigan. Be a nice ride going down the expressway.
yeah, it's loud. Has a Detroit in it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Time you get where you're going, you're deaf.
Is it loud?
Yeah.
Makes you wonder where all this thing's been, you know, before you guys even got it.
Yeah.
Probably Been all over the country.
I think they said the flexibles used to go from coast to coast.
Oh. Ah. Dinosaur. So did the American Pickers buy anything in here?
A couple things.
I'm surprised they didn't buy them bikes.
They bought a couple bikes.
Okay. You know what year this one is?
46.
46. Fire truck.
What year did they use it?
Man, it's in awesome shape.
80s, I think.
Yeah, they was using that in the 80s.
Oh yeah, do you know what fire department it came from?
Ross?
Hmm.
Oh, no. It was bought in Ross, yeah. Well, let's see, it says, it says New Hampshire. No. New Hampshire. I think 83. 83, okay.
Huh.
Right there.
Okay. Probably saw lots of action.
There's the other. There's another green.
Green Gables Hotel.
And look at this.
Oh wow.
Sell flowers.
I've never seen anything like that before. Surprised the American Pickers didn't want that.
Somebody makes that.
Oh, the tractor department, huh?
Yeah.
Does he still use all these?
Where's Flippy at?
It's sitting over there.
Got sleds. Oh, here's the big King tractor here. The big boy. Claremont County Schools. Old Army truck, I like this. Very cool. I could see me riding the back of this with a gun.